Tesla's upcoming battery is none other than the Shenxing battery, and it's a game changer. But this groundbreaking battery isn't initially making its debut in Tesla's fleet. Nope, it's taking a detour and finding its first home in some of Tesla's competitors' EVs. This technological marvel comes straight from the labs of CATL, the heavyweight champion of battery manufacturing. Besides, CATL has pulled off a showstopper by introducing the Skateboard platform, a revolutionary tech piece that's creating seismic waves in the EV industry. The Skateboard platform has the potential to grant EVs an eye-watering 621 miles of range. Yes, you heard that right, 621 miles. It's like giving your EV a passport to go on a road trip without worrying about finding the next charging station. The Shenxing battery with CATL Skateboard platform isn't just breaking the boundaries, it's rewriting the entire script of what's possible in the EV world. No wonder other companies are eyeing this cutting-edge technology. So stick around as we unravel the mysteries behind CATL's Skateboard platform, explore the Shenxing battery's prowess, and find out why it's causing a ripple of excitement in the electric vehicle community. Shenxing battery. As for the name of the new battery tech, the term Shenxing translates to divine speed in Chinese. Whether it lives up to its heavenly promise remains to be seen. CATL, the world's largest electric vehicle EV battery manufacturer, boasting a 28% market share in 2020, has been a key supplier for major automakers like Tesla, Volkswagen, BMW, Honda, and Toyota. Unsatisfied with its current standing, CATL is determined to revolutionize battery technology, recently announcing the Shenxing battery poised to reshape the EV industry. This groundbreaking battery, which promises an unprecedented 400-kilometer driving range with just 10 minutes of charging, is set to alleviate charging concerns for EV users and usher in a new era of super-fast charging. More on this a little later. Let's explore the intricacies of CATL's new Shenxing battery, its technological innovations, its potential impact on the EV market, and considerations for its widespread adoption. CATL, or Contemporary AmpereX Technology Co. Limited, is a prominent Chinese company founded in 2011 by Robin Zhang. Specializing in lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles and energy storage systems, CATL has rapidly grown to become one of the world's leading battery suppliers. With a global presence and strategic partnerships with major automakers, CATL's batteries are known for their performance, reliability, safety, and cost-effectiveness. The distinctive features of the Shenxing battery lie in CATL's endeavor to enhance three crucial aspects of EV batteries: charging speed, range, and safety. To achieve these advancements, the composition and components of Shenxing batteries deviate from existing varieties. Cathode. Shenxing employs cathodes constructed from fully nanocrystallized LFP material, utilizing superelectronic network technology to facilitate lithium-ion movement and enhance charging speeds. Anode. CATL incorporates its latest second-generation fast ion ring technology in Shenxing's graphite anodes, augmenting surface properties to increase intercalation channels and reduce the distance for lithium-ion movement, akin to an expressway for ions between electrodes, thereby improving charging speeds. Electrolyte. Shenxing's electrolyte is derived from a novel formula, reducing viscosity and enhancing conductivity. CATL has also improved the battery's solid electrolyte interface (SEI) film, making it ultra-thin to minimize resistance against lithium-ion movement. Separator. CATL enhances the porosity of Shenxing's separator, reducing resistance against lithium-ion movement. The separator, a porous material, physically separates electrodes while allowing lithium-ion movement, preventing short circuits and maintaining cell integrity. System. Shenxing achieves an 80% state of charge in 10 minutes, utilizing cell temperature control technology to quickly reach optimal operating temperatures, enabling a 0 to 80% charge in 30 minutes, even at temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. CATL employs a real-time fault testing system and battery grouping technology to further optimize the safety and performance of Shenxing batteries. The Shenxing battery, hailed as a version 2.0 of CATL's current lithium-ion phosphate batteries, offers a superior package. Notably, it boasts higher energy density and significantly improved cold weather performance, barely affected at temperatures as low as -5 degrees Celsius. The key highlight is the 4 degrees Celsius fast charging capability, enabling a 10-minute charge to gain an impressive 400 kilometers of range. This translates to a charging speed of over 300 kilowatts, marking a notable leap in charging technology. A crucial advantage of the Shenxing battery is its compatibility with existing production lines, eliminating the need for extensive factory overhauls. This positions CATL to potentially roll out these batteries for Tesla vehicles in the future. Despite Tesla being CATL's largest customer, the timeline for Tesla's adoption remains uncertain, likely due to the unavailability of these batteries during the Model Y's initial development phase. The company's commitment to innovation is evident in its continuous investments in research and development. In 2020, CATL introduced its first-generation sodium-ion battery, boasting higher energy density and lower costs than conventional lithium-ion batteries. In 2021, plans were announced for a battery with a lifespan of 16 years and 2 million kilometers. CATL also aims for carbon neutrality in its production process by 2030. The most recent unveiling, the Shenxing battery, showcases CATL's prowess in material science, electrochemistry, and system structure. Employing superelectronic network cathode technology and second-generation fast-ion ring technology, the battery enhances lithium-ion extraction and intercalation. A novel superconducting electrolyte formula and high-capacity separator reduce lithium-ion movement resistance. Furthermore, an all-in-one grouping technology based on CATL's CTP 3.0 ensures high integration and efficiency. The Shenxing battery not only offers remarkable speed, but also longevity, safety, and adaptability across a wide temperature range. With mass production expected by the end of 2023, the battery is anticipated to be available in the market by early 2024, compatible with various EV models and platforms, promising a more convenient, efficient, and intelligent driving experience. Despite its promising features, the Shenxing battery faces challenges, especially in colder climates. CATL assures users that the battery performs well in temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius, charging to 80% in just 30 minutes. However, potential concerns arise regarding its efficiency in extremely cold conditions, a factor that might influence its appeal in northern regions. CATL's track record in introducing diverse battery types, such as the Kian battery and condensed battery, demonstrates the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of battery technology. Recently venturing into sodium-ion batteries, CATL aims to capitalize on their advantages, including lower cost, higher availability, better thermal stability, and superior performance in cold temperatures. In the competitive landscape, CATL faces a formidable rival in BYD, particularly in the lithium-ion phosphate (LFP) battery sector. While CATL holds supremacy in the upper market with NMC batteries, BYD commands a substantial 43% market share in LFP batteries. The introduction of the Shenxing appears to be CATL's strategic response to intensifying competition, particularly from BYD, signaling a commitment to maintaining its edge in the dynamic EV battery market. Chery, NIO, and Chang'an are the first recipients of CATL's groundbreaking battery technology. Chery, aiming for global expansion, plans to incorporate the Shenxing battery in its EVs across Europe, the Middle East, Asia, Australia, and even North America. NIO, through its parent company Nita, has committed to using these batteries from January next year. Meanwhile, Chang'an's Avatar 12, a joint venture involving CATL and Huawei, will be the first car featuring the Shenxing battery. While Tesla is expected to adopt this battery technology sooner or later, they are going to stick to the older version of the batteries for now until further updates. As the EV battery competition continues to escalate, Shenxing emerges as a formidable contender. Whether it will be the groundbreaking solution that revolutionizes the EV market or a transient milestone in the technological race remains uncertain. Only time will reveal the true impact of CATL's latest offering, and until then, EV enthusiasts and industry observers are advised to stay tuned for the unfolding dynamics of this electrifying competition. Skateboard platform. CATL's forward-thinking approach involves proactively developing its electric vehicle platform, named the CATL Integrated Intelligent Chassis. This platform employs a skateboard-like design, encompassing all essential components necessary for an electric car. The simplicity of this approach allows customers to seamlessly customize their electric vehicles by adding their chosen body design onto the pre-equipped chassis, resulting in a fully assembled and market-ready electric vehicle. This strategy aligns with the vision of companies like Canoo, which also embraces a skateboard platform, but takes it a step further by offering diverse body options, colloquially known as top hats for specialized applications. CATL skateboard platform integrates battery packs, motors, and crucial components into a sleek chassis suitable for various electric car models. Rather than introducing a self-branded EV, CATL plans to share this technology through strategic partnerships. The first collaboration is with Hozon Auto, a leading Chinese EV producer operating under the Neta brand. Together, they aim to launch the first electric car powered by the CATL Integrated Intelligent Chassis in the third quarter of 2024. The platform focuses on achieving high integration between the car and chassis, resulting in cost savings and a faster development cycle. Wu Kai, the chief scientist at CATL, highlights the exceptional efficiency of the skateboard platform, consuming only 10.5 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers and offering a range of up to 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. Rigorous testing in extreme weather conditions demonstrates the platform's reliability, with an impressive 75% efficiency in both winter and summer tests. The platform's flexibility, allowing adjustments in length and battery positions, aligns with CATL's cell-to-chassis (CTC) technology, integrating main battery components into the vehicle floor to enhance energy efficiency and extend range. The CATL Integrated Intelligent Chassis has undergone extensive testing, showcasing its adaptability in various vehicle models. The partnership with Hozon Auto signifies a strategic move towards widespread adoption of this technology. Neta, a subsidiary of Hozon Auto, is expected to unveil the first model utilizing the CATL platform in the autumn of 2024, emphasizing advanced features and capabilities. CATL's ambitions extend beyond being a battery maker, positioning itself as a Tier 1 supplier offering comprehensive electric vehicle solutions. This includes the innovative skateboard chassis, presenting an enticing opportunity for smaller companies lacking resources or expertise to collaborate with CATL. The ultimate goal appears to be creating a competitive edge for legacy automakers by reducing R&D costs and time while enhancing product quality and customer satisfaction. As CATL looks beyond batteries, aiming to become a global leader in the electric vehicle industry, the significance of its skateboard platform cannot be overstated. By offering a ready-made solution that caters to diverse vehicle models and specifications, CATL seeks to play a pivotal role in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle market.